Hello all, my name is Krishnak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in our previous video, we are already done deployment of ML models using PyWeb.io and Flask. And if you don't remember what is PyWeb.io, let me just search it for you and let me just see this document and show you this particular documentation. It provides, like, you can actually create a amazing application without using any HTML and all. So yes, it will provide you a rich text terminal and you can actually do it. These are some of the examples which already I've shown you in my previous video over here, right? So this I had actually deployed in my local host. Now the same application, that is the car price prediction, I'll try to deploy this in a Heroku platform, because this was one of the most requested video saying that, Krish, can we deploy application or an ML model which is using PyWeb.io and Flask in the Heroku platform? So it will be very, very helpful for us. So considering that particular request, I'll try to deploy the same thing. Again guys, I'm not going to explain you how this particular project is made, because this car price prediction is pretty much simple. You have somewhere around 7 to 8 fields and you need to predict what should be the car price when you are actually selling that specific car. Okay, so the detailed explanation about how to deploy the model in our local host is given over here. And if you want to understand that how this project is done, the link is given over here. This particular project also, you can check it out. You can check out all those particular information. Now in this video, I'll try to mostly show you that how do you deploy this in a Heroku platform. So let's go ahead and let's open my Spider ID. So this is my entire application, guys. You will be seeing that I'll be giving year, then present price, kilometers driven. I already have my pickle file. So everything only the one thing that you have to do the changes. In my previous video, I was using this app.run and remaining all the lines were actually commented out, so we were trying to run it in the local host. In this video, I'm just going to do some changes. That is, I'll just comment out this line and I'll write this specific code. Now whenever you're trying to deploy it in a Heroku platform, first of all, you need to take care of the proc file. Now this proc file says you have to write web:/python app.py, because this app.py I'm going to run. There I'm also going to give my port number, and this $port that you see, right? Suppose if the cloud initializes some kind of port, by default port that will be written over here and it will be running in that specific port. Other than that, if that port is not given, we'll be taking the default port at 8080, and then we are just going to start_server and we are going to call this predict function with this port number as my port value. Now this predict function is nothing but it will be executing this entire details, where I'm actually going to take all the inputs, and finally you'll be able to see that my model will be doing the model.predict. After I get that output, I'm just going to put that specific text and display the output over here, right? Only this is the change, guys. You have seen this video a lot. If not, just go through this. I've provided a detailed explanation over here, explained each and every line of code with respect to the understanding that you need to require. Now let me go ahead and let me go over here. Now after making these changes, only the changes that I have made, I've added this and I've commented out this line, right? And remember, I've created this proc file. Only two changes. Requirement.txt is already there, so this is the requirement.txt that I will probably require. So I've written over here. Somewhere PyWeb.io will be also written. See, I have written PyWeb.io also over here. Now let's go over here. Now this is my this is my entire basically the GitHub repository where I have uploaded everything. The pickle file is there, app.py, CSV, requirement.txt, proc file. Now I'll go to my Heroku platform. Now I'll say Heroku login. Okay, and I have already created one application which is called as car pred. Okay, so this car price spread, I'm just going to click it. I'll go and click on the deploy part, and here you'll be able to see, first of all, always remember, whenever you get this, here you'll have an option to connect to the GitHub. So here I'll just search for the GitHub. The GitHub name is PyWeb Heroku. Okay, so I'm just going to search over here PyWeb, and once I search, this is basically my platform, my GitHub repository, which I'll connect it. Now after connecting it, if I go down, there will be an option of deploying this branch. So I'll click on this deploy branch and entire repositories will get deployed over here. So here you'll be able to see step by step. So it has started, and probably it will take a couple of minutes to do the entire deployment, and then you'll be able to check out the entire thing. Now again guys, I've not shown you exactly line by line because already those videos has been uploaded, right? And this just recently in April 5th only I have uploaded. Anyhow, I'll be giving you this link, and you can also check out the detailed explanation of car price prediction, how we have implemented. Okay, so let's see. Till now everything is going on fine. It is installing the requirement.txt. So over here, yes, perfectly, it is going fine. We have compared it has also installed SQLite 3. So let's see how much time it will take, but it will take some amount of time since we are doing the installation of the entire repository, and it has a lot of libraries to install. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, done. 160.4 MB, launching. Then this is my URL that I'll probably be using in order to see my output. Okay, after some time I think this will get over. I think we are in the final stage. Yes, almost done. You can see over here 3 dots, right? That basically means it is still launching that, but it will be done very soon. Okay. The loading the output and done, right? Now I have copied that entire link. I'll paste it over here, and now this is my entire model that you can see over here. So let's try it out. Enter the model car. So I'll write 2020, suppose. Enter the present price. Suppose I'll say 31 lakhs. Okay, 31 lakhs. Probably it may be an Audi or BMW. Enter the distance it has traveled in kilometers. Probably in 1 year, how many kilometers? 5,000 kilometers. Enter the number of owners. Owners I'll write at 0. It is a petrol car, obviously. Whether it is dealer or individual, suppose I'll select the individual. Manual or automatic, I like automatic cars, so yes. And here you can see that you can sell this price at 21.97 lakhs, right? So this is your output. Again, you can reload it and just understand you have deployed this entire thing in the Heroku platform. You can see the URL over here. It is herokuapp.com. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe the channel if you are not already subscribed. And guys, just try to do it, and this is the technique that you basically have to use in order to deploy the ML models and PyWeb along with Flask in the Heroku platform. So I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, Vandal. Bye bye.